Hi guys, day 2 of the cruise. So exciting. I've been up since 5 a.m. I couldn't sleep. In fairness, I was up till like midnight last night with Tracy, running around the boat. We were eating pizza at midnight. We were down in cocktails. We were getting into all sorts. It was quite fun. Had a really fun night. I went hard on the cocktails. So today I've started on Coke and juice, but Dad's just bought a bucket of beer because it works out a bit cheaper. I think you end up with like a beer free. I'm just going to put them in the fridge for him now. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick intro for day 2 of the cruise. This is where Dad's been sleeping, and that's my bed, my sister's bed, and yeah, the balcony. I think I showed you the balcony in yesterday's cruise, but I'll give you a real quick cruise room tour thingy in a minute. Let me put these beers away. Okay, so that is our door. This is our bathroom. Shower. And then, hi. So yeah, that's our bathroom. And then we come around here, little table. Dad's bed. This would normally be a sofa, but obviously there's 3 of us in here. We've got all this room. In there is our fridge, which is now, Dad will be happy, is now stocked full of beer and water. And then we have like our safe there. Got my books and just some stuff. The only criticism I have is there's nowhere to store your bags. I don't know where to store them. So we've been storing them there. And then they're the cushion things. And this is our balcony. Oh. Room. Make sure that's shut properly. That is our room. So I'm going to go now and go and enjoy whatever is happening out there. There's not a whole lot happening throughout the day today. Today's our first day at sea. There's not a lot happening, so we're just, you'll have to excuse my hair. It is so windy out there. We just keep getting wind blown, so I just don't even care. I'm gonna go take this bucket back and go enjoy whatever is happening out on the deck, and let's see what we get up to. We've just been down on the Lido deck, and they've been having trivia. It's so much fun. I went and got a bucket of ciders. I'm gonna go and top the fridge up. Our fridge is gonna be full. But look who was on my bed waiting for me when I came in. A little elephant. Isn't it cute? So cute. Aww. Love it. Our fridge is looking very full. It's actually pretty cold today. I'm wearing a jumper. It's freezing. Oh, let's go check it out now. it's 1 o'clock and we still haven't had lunch. So I think the plan is we're gonna go, we've been sitting on the deck chairs since for like 2 hours now. This morning we got up, we just explored the ship, went through all the levels, you know, found our feet, found where we were, and then we've just been sitting on the deck chairs. So it's time for lunch because I'm starving. But yeah, and then we have a bit of a plan for tonight. There is a show we want to watch, and there's also, we're gonna have dinner at the restaurant. We have dinner booked at 5:15, so we're gonna go there again. But I'm eating with other people, so I don't take my camera. It's a bit awkward to film and eat with people you don't really know. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Did video evidence of how desperate I was for coffee on the cruise ship. Seven AM and coffee time. Pajamas. Desperate measures. Coffee on the balcony. Cheers. It was worth it. Cheers, bro.
Cheers, Candice. Thank you. Need it.
Eating some fruit, chilling. It's gonna rain. Pretty quiet. We have another friend.
Oh, I'm gonna get a photo of that baby stream, 'cause I always take photos of them.
What is he?
What is he?
Yeah. The other one was an elephant. What's that? Is that a dog?
Looks like a dolphin.
Yeah, don't
Yeah. He's
I'll
cute.
Get my phone out, okay?
Love it.
There you go. You gonna try it? Cheers! Woo! Just swivel. Woo! Yeah.
Inside the ball, there are ball bearings. And the challenge is to catch the ball off the beat. 1 and 2 and 3. This is called juggling percussion. This is an invention of mine. One ball, pretty boring. But people. Two spheres. Oh my god. Thank you. Yes.
I'm a dog. Any other dogs in the audience? Arr. Everybody give me a arr! Give me a arr! Give me a arr! Bad dog, bad dog, bad dog, bad dog. Oh, I love this cruise. It's just the best. I've got a day job as well as being an entertainer. I mean, I'm a stunt dog. Let's just say that out loud. Her feet are her most delicate thing, so she's put her feet over the... Can you shuffle up a little bit so it's a little bit more exciting? So we just make it jump over there. And you can go and stand... what's your name again? Amity. Can you go and stand over there, Amity, and you can catch me? Just stand over there, no, that way, over there, back, that way. No, not your back, my forward, stern, bow, good job. Alright, no, just go back, walk backwards, again. Stop. Now to your right, shuffle 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 to... Stop! Alright, just stand there and get ready to catch me. Here we go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. What happened? Amity! My eye! Where's my eye? Amity! Get the eye for me! Someone get it! Hurry up!
Just like rehearsal! Like this. Like that. Everybody. Only goes that long, so to get a groove you got to hit the trigger at the perfect time. Now it's time to take it up a level because it's time to engage the laser. Left hand, the beat.
Bingo!
Here we go.
Alright, good afternoon everybody.
Bingo.
How are we doing everyone? Oh, woo! Bingo! I love it.
I want a bingo. Woo, woo. $200.
Give it Mary one that's had 5. 7 down. 7.
What did you get?
I've got a drizzle little jam
Cheesecake?
on 7:30.
Hang on, I'll put it back.
Blow it back
That's
on.
upside down.
Fail.
There you go.
It's crooked, but okay.
I'll take 4.
Nice. Hi, chilling out. Balcony time. You wedged the door open. You wedged the door open. Will that work? Genius.
Fucking legend.
Say it on camera, what are you?
Legend.
Okay guys, I've got my book. I've got some lollies, my cider and my view. That's me. I'm signing off for day 3 and I'm gonna sit up here. So sorry it's noisy. Cruise ship life. And I'm gonna sign off and that's me for day 3. I'm gonna sit, read my book, drink my cider and get ready. We're knocking at Numia tomorrow. Catch you on day 4.